Good morning, Quincy. Ano? Saan siya nakahiga? Good morning, baby ko.
Sana all TikTok.
Kiss mo, tita.
Kiss.
Kiss mo. Ay. Ano, pangalan ko na bagong baby? Hanap mo, mami mo. Tulog ka katabi ko, ah. Di ba natulog ka katabi ko? Mama is working and Papa is working too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Mama's love.
Say, hi guys, good morning. It's another day with Quincy. Kagising ko lang. Tsaka kanina pa siya gising. And here is LJ. Say hi, kuya.
Ay.
No, don't do that.
Kita, patikim ng cake mo po. Ginawa mo po na cake. Pwede, gumawa po ng slice. Kita. The mother.
It's your turn.
You want cake?
And cake to. Go, get it.
Yay!
May cake pa ka, masarap kasi katapos lang ng birthday ko. So, have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.
I want a cake.
I'll get it. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.